J-Pac and told me, may his soul keep resting in peace. I got home there. I did not do contribution for Chinedu Nwadike. I was not at Chinedu Nwadike's presence. Jpac told me, na Chinedu Nwadike bu ori obiri na ajo chan. Na Chinedu Nwadike bu ekezi nke oboroshi na wo syphilis. Na Chinedu Nwadike no tule emecha na eshi mmiri. Even that day Ifeanyi Ubah bịara na nde nọọsụ. Kemakwa no mentio quote by Jpac. Na nde nọọsụ gbaga daddy na etesiri onye positive na because rumor bịa gawa. According to Jpac. Na rumor bịa gawa ana-ekwu na Ifeanyi na-edina ọkwa Jpac na akọrọbo anything I say quote to me na ihe m gwara gị. Na Ifeanyi Ubah na-edina onya. So Oshi, one of the nurses say pull Ifeanyi Ubah by the side. Shia, Oga, can we do audio brinajo test for you? Ifeanyi Ubah, don't worry. You don't worry. Na urubeke like that. Igwaramia ke igwahumia. Mgbe putara Chinedu Nwadike na agba ya wish na agba onye nwura. Igbala my father war, gba Chinedu Nwadike war. So all these things you are clamoring and saying, yeah, kwejela gumbada abia yogba. Mgbe mgbago dị ndụ ka ị gwara m mgbe ejigi n'ọnụ oyi ka ị gwara m shi na gị ike mkpọhụ otulu agbụla gị well wishers, bring your loved ones, bring the haters, bring everyone. But one thing I will not tolerate, if you want to watch this program in peace, do not insult me. You can do your constructive arguments or your constructive statement per se, but do not call me a shower because I go fire your mama. I don't have boundary when you insult my person because then when I move my eyes, even if they are outside, you will get away. So what I would like you to do, if you have not been sharing my program, let today be the hottest day. You put your share button now, share. We have a lot to say. You know that in Jpac na about someone gonna go wa kebo eziokwu. You want to go? So biko tiri maka na share button. Invite you because Ashim Akwa eyiri eyi anaghị eri nwa mgbọrọ. You want to go? Akwa eyiri eyi anaghị eri nwa mgbọrọ. Eyigo me okwa today. So I will let you all of tag my Nnewi people. Ma Igwe Nnewi banye Igwe Birigwo. Tag him. Tag even Cubana chief priest. They said that contacted them on my behalf. Tag Cubana chief priest. Tag all if I am Emeka Ofo. They said that they think they do Emeka Ofo nante. Tag every soul that you know that tag them here. You want to go? I want for Newi South for that matter. Also many precisely. And I'm mezo. Any man or woman got patanes away so die only hona hide, right? And when him boo, and when him nakwa, and that is why I stand upright to tell you where I come from. I may be speaking a different dialect, which is applicable to a lot of us. Eba Zoroge and where you grew up and pass and parcel. So is common and is normal. So because Tirimaka na share button now, and you tag Jpac for me. Please, my admin, anything I post about Jpac, course, the mother, course, but course, come ne picky that delay me. Ashima, hell to the no. Muma Barahashi, hell to the effing no. Namagala pu Jpac. You want to go? Share them this video. I will not leave Jpac. Reasons come get big runia all to today. I get mad pu Jpac. All the sympathy cry. Please take it easy. Oh, Newi batara no mo. Onye Newi jemego. Please, nobody should send me requests. I don't pick requests when I'm in saga. I don't pick anybody to contribute for me. If you keep sending me requests, I'll block you. And I'm gonna add the people. Haven't you noticed that I'm a tiga phone call? And I'm a tiga call. Because I'm an energy saga. I can saga 48, even all the years of my life. That is nothing. So when I dey saga, I know they like calls, but people keep on contribute. And I'm like here, and I'm liking on the move. Purogaba, you want to go? And I'm liking on the move. And the all I'm name matter that, and I may make it like amo. I prefer to have a lot of enemies. I keep saying it. I prefer to have a lot of enemies than to have people that pretends that they like me, then I cannot be able to spit out my truth. You must not like me. I'm here for you to like me. I'm here to stand upright. You want to go? So anybody, all this sympathy card that anyway, can share the video. I have many things to bring in. Share the video because I'm not here BT Epele. Ebila Gamande Waton. Today, Ebila Gamande Waton. Jpac, this is just a preamble of what the damage I will do to your head. You want to go? Nobody, even if you call the whole bloggers, no Jupiter will make me leave you. Go as I get all the whole Newi. I'm from in Newi, they can call me, I will answer them. Let all of them, if they call me, they have, say my God, I will mean Newi. No blood is in me. If you never need to talk to me, let them come and talk to me. I am not afraid to answer them. They are my people. But anything that has to do with you, Jpac, in the name of this hanky-panky play, in the saga, then I console you. Okay, I know they hear you. Let saga people console your stupidity. In the saga people, I want a lot to say, oh. Gabur Ashim Gisharam program. Tag your friend. Tag in there. Even my greatest enemy Ghana their platform got to run kwa. You want to go? I know na video man. Everybody they go viral. Everybody that okay because Ashonya ma keshi tiwimma. Da shabu be la abube. Owo muwa ka Jpac na mere sympathy card. If you have anyway, hold on. They come. Now share video. Yeah, don't just respect yourself now. Hold on. I don't want this distraction. Just when you know we Google now. Don't distract me. Now share the video. Jpac iga no. Abranga na aga be weta data. Ebe wan ge barakuna. Aga menyeki data where your wife prostituted and you knew it. Ebe wan ge no ba akuna na Abuja. I'm going to get all this consoling word of one day. I'm going to hand on a saga for years. For years. You want to go? All these people, I'm going to hand on a saga for years. They picture my father to be sagaring me. I've been a console. Oh, it's okay. Ogechi is a criminal. Ogechi killed us. Ogechi is a murderer. Ogechi acted like you. All those saga pete cleaning of tears. Ogechi no day. If I don't see result in what I'm doing, I will never let go. You should know me by now. That's not shadow. Come, patoga kebe ya like here. If on your Gia Bru Batan. If I could be in a picture my daddy, Jenna Bamu. He make my daddy's body as a saga material. You made him as a saga material. Right? Aga me both your wedding, both ungawani give bina wapuna. Both undanawani ga kuhumbo a saga material. I will make you your life the living hell. Even to my surprise, Onyedibia called me yesterday. Was even thanking me. Na kowaziri mu omena. That's it. I'm a Christian person. I was born in AG, so my Christian value, even I was even skeptical to touch my brother, my sister, Mba. Nah, no, okay, no wahala. I was specifically talking to him. This young man is playing every Jpac na concrete na come. I am your greatest scam. Ashim, no jupe. If you like, you go pay all the man. Then my baby. Facebook blogger so man okay channel de ya word do ntina come I can't hear you. All these people in you remember when how you used to contact me? Okay, but onya war like information onya like onya I know say so you dey do them. But na nkem ka mmiri no ta go tula. Mmiri ahụ na go shige na go guys na share video. Na share video. Jpac in a bagare. Chineke God. Jpac na bagare. Ogechi mere Ndenewi. If you guys did not do anything this time around, Mama and Ogechi Okeke. They commit a crime. You start calling Ndenewi. Mgbe bru la nwanne nwoke onye osumenyi me ya ihe akaja. Ye gite gi na airport. She give your end apology nko. Ima na my brother. Ki bru la allegation le nishi. E mata na onye Nnewi. Osumenyi my brother. The man eturu ngwa ahia na mgbe na China because of any 100,000. You destroy a man's business. Now you are crying. The Nnewi where you? Unu gemere Ogechi. You get mecha your grandfathers. Jpac, I'm a list to nwoke niile ranage with a full force with evidence. You should have been interpreting manage okay. Gabana Akwa about Ifeanyi Ubah. I am coming to the I am just no share. Because when I will start that topic, actually people gather. I want people to gather and listen to me. Because you are not from Nnewi. Do I give a fuck about you? Where am I from? Am I here to explain it to you? Did I talk to fools? I am talking to reasonable persons. I don't talk to animals. Mba, you are not human beings. So why would I talk to you whether I'm from Nnewi? Whatever you want to believe, so call it. I'm not getting no cause to settle whether I'm in Nnewi or my Nnewi. It would be for me to repeat myself. You want to go? Guys, Shiano Brugramma. Him about Jpac. You know, no Jpac thought when I had the number that I wasn't monitoring his useless lifestyle. He won't around. Guys, it's trying to become. I'm a joke. Na Shiano video. Because I mean, he never removed anything I posted about Jpac again, or because anything I post about Jpac, Basara, the more information are coming, no, delete. You guys should stop it. Happen in the comment section. They are here to talk whatever they like to talk. I don't know, maybe I had the guy. Anyway, come to you here before I can proceed. Okay, before I go further, this is my very humble dad, who I'm well pleased. The reason why I'm in this country is because of that man lying as state. He's my father. He's everything. Not even that he's a father. He has led Nnewi community na America. Or wala their president, or wala their vice president. Dr. Professor Chinedu Okeke. That's my father. He's from Osumenyi. Oji student visa. When he got Ranishia, mere the whole Osumenyi gathered. Near scholarship. So my dad, na COVID-19. Also nde naga church Christian economy. That believe in Christian economy. Before this go that far. My daddy was a principal in Nigeria. My daddy was a headmaster. My daddy was also a Nigerian soldier. He served his country. Before he had Onunkuji. From Onunkuji, he went a student visa. Has sponsor and also many beha. Then he came to this country. Process then it was really tough then. So he survived. Fight for us, and he brought us in this country. So when we came to this country, you know, things started happening, which is it's none of anybody's business. He's my father. I still love him to death. That is why I will fight Jpac until the day I join my ancestors. This man, he gave me life. This man, he made me to be onye nobody can ever. I'm not Nigeria now. He gave the reason my husband did Jpac military. My daddy credential game making you go to school for free without paying a dime in this country. The man who go to an extent they can't pay him anymore. They could not pay him anymore. Oh, make it a PhD upon PhD now go to an extent. Ya submit here and I share Professor Timothy, we cannot afford to pay you. Go and ask anybody this thing them na joge. When it comes to American standard, they want to level Rundocha become intimidated. Wait, or that level. What I go, this man Jpac brought out to Ejemiha Kaja. For those of you, Shem ni Ifeanyi Ubah, and if my father carry Ifeanyi Ubah to me, to anybody. Yaru mi Ifeanyi Ubah kanage kan basarage. My father is more than Ifeanyi Ubah, Jpac humiliated. My father is priceless. Did you get me? So if you don't value anything that has to do with your life, I value my own. Whether I'm my father, whether I'm it is my personal issue. It is my family issue. It has nothing to do with you. Yawuroma, gena umunegi we problem or gena your father we problem. Get to table wine on social media. That is your business. All of you that are watching me here with a different type of family issues. You want to meaning? You touch your family. You want to go? I don't have vam. So even if I have issues in my family, whether my mom and my mother or the number, whether my mom and my siblings, it's none of your goddamn business. You should tackle your own family issue. You should not bring. Jpac, my father died COVID-19. Because I believe in Christian economy, because I'm a member of Christian economy church. That you should not take vaccine, now vaccine with chips. My father refused. Even when my husband, a medical doctor, called him, you know, professor on my address as a professor, prof, please go and take this vaccine. My dad is shown. Na ya man take here. Na kunye kuru na wo gene serve osho gene etiri ya na ho. My father had get COVID. One hospital. 3 days. 3 months called on a hospital. The first person that visited him was my husband. My husband and Akwa. Akwa ya that time ya baya. Ba ko wote go di to talk 1 or 2. Did you understand? Ka people put on mama home and my father won. Konya wu direct contact here if anything happened to him. My husband, because before my husband enter military, all credential of my father, I think about 3 persons. Nani, my dad is submit here, in the military, that's it. That they don't want no more, that is okay. That this man merit anything. That was the go and find that before I got by military people that would, my father did it for my husband. If I'm not in good time with my father, how did he do all these things? The documentation, the packaging, when I was filing my husband, my father gave it to me. My father filed everything. With that document here, immigration. The thing I have any means so. So, the problem when my father went to cost one more thing still supported me to bring in my husband here. Jpac and my daddy won. But he post on social media. By then, Jpac was with Palace of Fools. I'm not going to remember because every time he starts, I say, who is this man? I don't know him. Yeah, bro, my dad. Some people say he did not comment anything bad. Let me tell you one thing. Jpac did not comment anything bad. Jpac may inform of a bad thing. Jpac for people to see I am not mocking the dead. Jpac even my dad did not have critical condition at his vulnerable last day on this earth. No logo. I don't have been pamonala. It's a bayana montuare. Jpac brought my picture. Nyeken. Not only on a can you post on a platform here. Baken in the Pakan Shimea. I got me mayor in the name. Jpac on any rights. Not only that, oh, myself from that video over my father tag ya war. That video I don't have it. But thank God that I screenshotted this and reposted it on my platform. Oh, he many jihuya. Mazi Jpac media. Jpac were my father, known at the critical last stage of his life. Ashonyeria manademma. Onyeria manademma. They were my dad. Jpac likri all my father's profile. Jpac likri all my father's information. Were abunyendo to ya. Yana haja aba war. Let me, before I proceed, before him, Ifeanyi Ubah and other people who want Jpac that I have their information, please, I want to play a video. I want you to pay attention. Watch. Just watch. For those of you that are judging me, please, if you are getting on my shoe, I would like you to act a different way. You want to go? But before I proceed, only him not chucky gainer because share this video. If Jpac mecha give na this our blue app, nagamana madu na like this. I want to show you guys something. Just pay close attention. Actually, okay, watch this program. Okay, watch this program. Watch here, Jpac, and then mother can my father name. Okay.
Virus. That period, virus. I don't know why. I know my brother go there. Virus. Because they need people to die more. Because the more people now, and they be here go. The country be here go. Yes, Malaysia guy today I said 4 people want to tomorrow I said 10 and 1. It's gonna increase. But they move virus, but I didn't get highest number. Can they be here? The man was here, lifeless, no help. A professor from Osube was here, lifeless. Nobody. There is nothing like Ogechi here. The mother wasn't here. The children was nobody was here to take care of this man in the hospital. This man, frustrated. I want to be where I told you. Ogechi attack COVID there. And made this man up to us. The way COVID with this man. Him with this man, I go and he'll get you coming to social media. This man had attack. This man is still a young man. Watch him. He's still a very vibrant young man. Very vibrant young man. Look at him. Very vibrant.
I'm gonna my dad. When I hold the replicant.
I know that this man, I'm gonna do too much.
When I hold my dad. Good. The resemblance. Good.
Or my daughter come here, pause that idiot to you. Or even opposite condom it. Opposite condom it. The way they let him he died because of hunger. I don't know this man, but to me, I want a clever billionaire. A clever billionaire, like social media. They want to do place everywhere in Nigeria. Everywhere state. Look at this young man died because of hunger. Ubah Ogechi Okeke. I can never say my soul is in peace, no. Because it won't John no wow. If again I'm one is one baruru. Dora Akumi, la home why in the Basuru and I hear the professor Amo. The professor Amo is one house, man, I can get so house. And a fair father That is why you ka Okongo. That is why you ka bastard. This is your 4 years in there now. And so that time when every day I'm on Facebook. The day I'm on Facebook, but you'll see me issue for that. Nobody bury you. Nobody gives you beneficial burial. And you're a coward. You didn't act like a man. It is too slow. It is too slow. You want a low spirit. You want a very low spirit. It is too dull. It is not thief at all. I see that thief. Can you see that more Ubah Ogechi overnight? I'm going to say that the young get there, but no, got it to the about ready as usual. It's about that. Was it like you got one so since you can you put the man to go gauge? Since you can and you put the man to go gauge, or maybe a libo, or maybe a libo. It didn't do anything. Oh, not what is the eyeglass is a professor. Now, John one house. We put I got my second line with do. Couple of people know part of that pocket now. Man, I bring up my pocket. I never can judge it. Or to get with to work at your hair. That's the only way they get by any bill. Maybe we get to work at you. You know, can enter heaven. So you have to kill this people. With the power, you don't have more. But you the guy for that day, no get it. Pabuera, but may young one there. Are you a coward? Act like a professor. It happened about him. Yeah, I'm saying this. Are you happy that I buy him on this? You know, I'm saying this is just you put it on Facebook. You put it at a point. You put it give me a mayor jungle justice. It ain't active at all. You're a coward. You wake up like a lion. Just fire that woman overnight. Fire that bastard overnight. Get you It is again. Professor don't come wake up because of and when he single indomie on this man not for you. And when he single blood on this man not for you. This man just died like an idiot. A rabbit. A rabbit. Do I do my Gamma Diego of edit. Your side chick. Of your side chick. All side chick you take that problem in on. Only one on time. Now side chick edit to kill you. Because I say good move I don't know from why I got Paraulu. Why I got Pulubu, a Gawebu. Gawebu, if we don't tell you I know before. Gagawebu. Greggy, even Otelupu, even Otele, even Amo. You carry Amo, even Amo. When I'm to you, I was I before Amo. I'm going to have him, and she goes so. We should get support to Ghana. Gabo Telupu did to Susu, Yaman Unushi. Susu Yaman Unushi. It look at I just them and so I for use Hamana was a challenge she got for a one. Idiot. Have to receive sense. Receive sense for that grave. Receive sense for that grave in a Chile cap or walk. Idiot. Why a criminal? And then because I'm not a professor, I'm not in the Paruru, Rosses and the Bodena is born more Paruru. Can't buy a criminal. Eso kuna no if you don't na Facebook ya donya e hono Ifeanyi Ubah ndị Igbo ji eme ọnụ Nigeria ji eme ọnụ capital oil Enugu ji eme ọnụ igwe ndị Nnewi ji eme ọnụ igwe ndị Nnewi dị ndụ today Ifeanyi Ubah so contribute on the oti Ifeanyi Ubah nwụrụ na that man aga last again because of Ifeanyi Ubah na that man Okobaka Ifeanyi Ubah declare 3 days fasting. Yara me better one. Kanu na moncho na padilia. Family yake dey lose a billionaire for that matter. a sitting senator. Can one why put on a social media? Not around Wokonike. I want you to understand why you were supposed to kill Ogechi before you died. That is why I'm trying to tell you that I want to vote you tonight to stand up for that death, that grave, and destroy that Ogechi tonight. The lady have destroyed your name you built for years as a professor. She have destroyed your reputation. Your name, I'm going to persist. A whole billionaire capital lawyer comes around on a Jpac in Ike. There's evidence. All the whole bloggers, all the whole content creators, every that video, and that viral. And the more that viral, all the more people, they billionaire people that want here. And I'm
okay. Do you know why I played this video? It's for you guys to know what Jpac did to me. Jpac brought out my father's picture and gave it to a group of people. Like Jpac was using Obum to saga Akozion. That's exactly what Jpac did. He does not want to commit this crime on Akaya. He brought out my father's image. For those of you that said, is it Jpac voice? No, it's not his voice. In my YMG post a picture here. Okay, when the day and the very moment Jpac posted my father, where I ganye Jpac. Now, share this video. I'm about to say something about this Ifeanyi Ubah that everybody's going crazy about. On that fateful day, guys, please share my program because about time he end them. YMG shake this thing away home. Arrow Jpac committed ebe my father-in-law. Until generation Jpac end when any of them got guru half school nam guru. This person known in Awo. He's a drunkard that even in Gampam putere kuoku. Common ticket again yonya bata na that hall kobia kuoku. We are Professor Ko that dimne jina signature yaga school no boda we graduates. Can one drunkard somewhere upon generation you work you was son and when any of them getting common masters to compare the degree my daddy acquired in this country. All you know ka Jpac brulan namu bunyondo to ya ka haji war my dad. The same word you with the voice note to Akwa where anye obum go make it go jina abakona share. That's exactly what happened here. I just want to explain it to you. I want to Jpac, but all drunkards, people don't know one until any chant, and even I carry a hand away again. And we can get you half from my father's oroko. No, ka Jpac brula my father. Onyo shino one near Jpac won't but my daddy won't also many. Buru my father, bunyen de saga keji my father. Ba war. Tito IMG chicken. No, wouldn't die now about the war with my problem. Now Jpac that brought out my father's image on social media. Onye shiminki areyama ebreya bige. Ya wuro my head Jpac mere my late dad. Of the game man, I gave me and page. I gave me anybody you love so much. I gave me any block mo negi mo won nage. I gave me gia, and I want you to take it. I want Bia. Udo, don't provoke me. I'm a block again. I'm not in the mood for rubbish. If you don't understand what I'm saying, go to your neighbor to explain it to you. Yawuroma, that my father know at his critical. Imakuyawo onyeria manademma. A man in on dog got COVID. Onya got COVID mere. Am I him nako? David, this guy a broom pamo. Say pick. I'm only setting a picture. If you want me to leave you alone, tell that person setting the picture. Kamuna yaga dog aya no boda. Kaju and HIPAA violation. You took my daddy's picture. You sent it to Jpac. Kagene. Una Jpac ain't a problem. Amara Jpac. I have never come across Jpac before. Ye buru my father's image. Oshiba no one else menu. Even that video ya phone save and when see that phone. I carry her be Jpac in Namona about war. Majo Jpac. Mpamo menegene. Etibe pampam na free Joe. Ojo soro mutai. E say picture se grab Jpac. Jpac bu put na line. Etibe mpamo na moncho hare. more or less it is what Igbo switch elia. That very day Mpami Kupiri ka Jpac is a picture. Ka somebody say picture put my father online. Eji ana agba war. Owu di ndị Igbo shi na owu onye gbara ga egbe. No onye kpụrụ ga kashi are nge no. No the person with the problem. Jpac is my problem until the day I will die. I have met Jpac. I would agwarange information jigi na nwunye ki. Jejukwa nwanyị gị nderi no now because I'm coming. John nwanyị gị ndeni nekwuru ya ụgwọ anya because Ogechi is coming. Udi ga-enwe udi day ị ga-abịarịọ my daddy. Ị ga-apụta na social media mata na ọnwụ wu ihe ndị Igbo anaghị eji egwu egwu. That no is a sacrilege. It's an abomination. I do go to fundraising. And when one dibia from yesterday, what the fundraising? Nana boy fundraising, no way foreign name. Nana o Uli. Even in those so many, in a burial on a banyashi or summer madu or garanga no soon. And we had put it. And they put in and they put in and they put in. And I put so they can make one big ceremony. No suka or suje way go. So everybody moment are Igbo. It's not like I make koroga koro. You want to go? Jpac brought my father. Sonia Shinori Yamma. I want you. Before I will forgive Jpac. No what? Secret yani name my father not destroy Jpac. Jpac ge buruenyi. Pota na social media bury my father. Without CT. Onokwa sumenye money. Onokwa lebu money. Jpac won't do na kamo. Let me never see tomorrow. I drop this. Oil and mepe. I drop my oil. Jpac won't do na kamo. Manana Ubah Ogechi Okeke njaka. I will never let Jpac have peace. Oga bury on my father. Oga po ndani onya who will put a picture of my father. Nye Jpac. Jpac ga gba mo onyo. Oga eburu enyi. Owu kwa nna mo wuhe enyi. Gari on namo. Cause oma onye Professor Timothy Okeke wo. Oma onye Doctor Professor Timothy Okeke wo. Onwe who dik that kind of person nando ya. Ma Jpac apụta make ya up story na nna m pụrụ m ọnụ. Jonu Jpac ari ebe mụ na ya nọ nna m abụọ m ọnụ. Onye m demo na ha na-enwe problem bịa ha enye gị na my father rapuru m. Jo na m ebe my father shi rapuo m. Na m pụta na Facebook gba nna m wo. Wetere nu m ebe m gbara nna m wo. Na m pụta na mụ na my father adịghị na mma. Na mpa pụrụ m ọnụ. Ọ na mgbe m nwụrụ anwụ ka mgbe ndị ndụ ka nna m pụrụ m ọnụ a. And then rumors just to destroy Ogechi. Jpac Oshiole manamu. Muna Jpac ya binumulo. Or Jpac in documentation. Mjiri support my husband to come here. Or Jpac with the documentation. Dimujiri baname. Onyen na ya brono. Or signature Jpac kamji with my first associate in Obuda. Onyen na ya brono. That was how rumors started though. No Ogechi jikwara boy ono. And then rumor. Ejena Google so one engine gini tinye rubbish information. Ojikwara wuru information on Ogechi. Ogechi jikwara nna ejikwara repuo ya. Ogechi jikwara enweho the kind of lies. This people put out to destroy my person. The thing na ga no Ogechi jikwara shana empire repuo ya masha where and when and how. Are you living with me? Do I know you guys? Where are you guys getting all this information? Me dikwa yo. Ne mekwara ihe mo. A good information now everywhere. No Ogechi jikwara repuo ya. Ogechi jikwara ton na nga gwia. Ebe ka nna m garanga no obodo. O na mmụọ ka na mmadụ. Ebe ka m repuru, ebe ka nna m repuru mu. Ebe ka nna m nọrọ bụọ m ọnụ. Ana ebuari ihe a. Everywhere. False information. Eburi ya na aga. How can I come out and tell you that my father raped you? O na mmụọ ka na mmadụ. On work on also just to make it tarnish Ogechi's image. Or a pronamo call on a mother. Ufoda na wu COVID buru namo. Na warriors oburia, na go buria, I go na ebu madu America. Ihe obele onye achị na agụ buru na America. Ihe obele onye apụtara eho prọfesọ n'ọrụ kebe oshi bata n'obodo a ka ọ gburu. Na emere mpam ihe a na-emere every soul nọ n'obodo a fundraising is become ịma mgbe COVID na agbakọ one place. Game hụ na GoFundMe, game na WhatsApp. You can put it anywhere. Eburu ya ejikwara raise gala mpo ga-eche ego na GoFundMe. Ya dịka mpam mere ihe mebe before. Ihe ndị Igbo na-emekwa. Things that is normal. Mgbe ahụ COVID nọ enweghị onye na-apụta na-emezi all this group thing a na-eme. Game hụ na WhatsApp, game na GoFundMe, or game to any social media. Ogula ihe a na-emekwa a na-akpọ ya uli daman kọwara m ya that man kpọrọ ma me play voice note ya soon. Gwanụmụ crime Ogechi committed. Eburu na nna m bụrụ m na nna m adịghị na mma. So mụ na nna m adịghị na mma. Nna m enye Ugochukwu akwụkwọ jiri baa amị. Nna m enye akwụkwọ Ugochukwu jiri bịa n'obodo a. Mụ na nna m adịkwa na mma. Even mụ na nna m adịgoda na mma. How is that your business? How is my family problem become your business? If I pass it, oh ya ka onye aṅụrụma, onye in this life to come. Enweghị onye ga-adị ka nna m Ogechi na family apụta were na agba ya one on Facebook because of Jpac. Because of Jpac, wepụtara nna m na-akụ ya na-abụghị ọrụ. A whole professor in your lineage until you kweme. Enweghị onye ga-adị ka Dr. Timothy Okeke, Professor Timothy Okeke n'ụwa. All the privilege you nyere ha, and that is why I'm jitagide gị. Ị ga-akwarịla ala Jpac. Imagine Jamaica video ka people who ebe mmiri chiba no pi ụgbọgụ before ma bịa baa na nke Ifeanyi Ubah. Ị ga-akwarịla ala. Ị ga-agwa gị that ozu agwụla something people do not play with. Ozu gaga pupute picture ya were information my dad were picture were ball at the last stage bunye ka eji na agba m war and gishemu kam hapu gị. People have my ministry people. You have to render apology. Iga kwala. Ige all the before get one piece in akamo. Makachi awi information hani nenegama about your wife. Mande dinara mande kuriyugo. Don't be surprised that one day auto one nigga apata. To my agame make it ona nanya. One go again when born about Akwa you go ya. I am waiting for those ones. Jpac making no wa. I will show you pepper. It doesn't matter that when it comes to family matter, you do not get yourself involved. When it comes to family matter, you do not cross some boundaries. You don't cross some boundaries. I want to get a woman there, Buyana. Now, my problem. Oh, Gimwa. Gaga Pupute. My dad, Nyande Saga, she had Buruya. Did you hear what I said? Good. Now, Tangana Mata Ifeanyi Ubah. On that fateful day, Anonamu, Aborom Tiga na WhatsApp call. Jpac and Onanga. Ashemene Jpac arrest. Anyapo, sorry. Bishop Ozubra, I had to mention your name, my brother. We called Bishop. Bishop was not picking up. We called many people were not picking up. So, Yerumbe, Mashi, but Jpac, Ifeanyi Ubah, ne release gi. Now Ifeanyi Ubah ne bear logo all the time. Keti he, mereni. Yashimumbao, okay, get no maintain. Record this part for those of you who got false information. Record this part. Record Oya. Save it and record it and share it to your loved ones. Machi Jpac, why can't you call Gage? Yashimba. Okay, na egwa mi here gabigara naka this man. Every time on na help, yashiapo humo to la kona ya. Every time on help, ni kenya japo humo to la de ya. Ni kenya je bend nanamu na odiro ya. Gegwa minti, let me repeat it again, oh. Jpac is shemo. Noge. Now when you basakwari Ifeanyi Ubah that I should not bring deity. Now this matter. Joan, why didn't he call Ifeanyi Ubah that very day? That second arrest. Why Akwa? Yeah, this simple question can you Joan Jpac. Did you tell Ogechi that he can't Munike and Obulage? Ikuriako Igwahumia. Did I just I'm Ifeanyi Ubah and I'm like that? Was I there? A Somugi? And Omedia, you vividly told me Mbaboro Bishop Opiki call. Anyabo met another person that yana Bishop 5 and 6. Anyabo ya should have Bishop Ano, yana drive another photo Bishop Ana Haga. You want to go? Anya try ya Bishop, try Bishop. In the Kwaga walk back from Inga. By then, you go give phone, Lugi. But then they gave you your phone. Listen up, because I'm like, huh? I know the full side of the story. I'm not afraid that in the next I will not answer. But I know what brought Ifeanyi Ubah in that conversation. Achakodo and Udo. Jpac vividly opened his mouth to Shemu. I will repeat it over and over and over again. Ifeanyi Ubah for help. Yarum Ifeanyi Ubah na Ogechi adra. Yarum Ifeanyi Ubah on organize help ya shigi bendia amam. Mbahuka Ojiri mem Kim she do you minute yashim. Na gidi mene yacho help boya. Now why didn't he want to call him? Because ni ka agula ya. Every time I share bendia ka etinye ya munike ni ka de ya little favor madu ge meregi oge boost cho ge megi before. So Junu yande na bari shi Ogechi na amcho Ifeanyi Ubah. He told me. He fucking told me when he's in his critical time. I'm back on Shia Tapuyan on when the police in their phone on a few minutes. Back on Yen in a Shia no Jina Potan. For those of you guys, Ogechi, I'm a Kuala and a Kuaru. I have what I'm Kampuru. And I'm a Kuaru and I'm in Gambi, yeah, Bentia. I hear what I'm Kampuru. So how you guys saying Namkuraro? How you Kuaro? Na madu gwara m ihe shim na ike mkpọhi m otula abụla ya na mgbe ọ na Ifeanyi ihe ọ ga-anarịla jụọ ya why didn't Ifeanyi Ubah release him that time ebe ọwụ ya bụ Ifeanyi aza gịnị mere ọsa hụ ya that particular day gịnị mere for those of you that Ogechi egolara ga jụọ nu Jpac no what no nwere this kind of conversation with me or no ọ ihe ọ bịara na-emere unu petty video. That is not the bone of contention. Sheno yao na gini mere lekwa point unu ga na aju ya. Na gini mere that very day all usuru hope of contacting everybody at that critical time. Na gini mere point Ifeanyi Ubah na we akpo ebe ọ na-eshi ebe ya na Ifeanyi Ubah na-enwe conversation. But that day conversation Ifeanyi Ubah could not go through. Unu ị ga-awogbu ndị ga-awogbu. Owo mu na gị no ga-agwa m ihe gbara mu that I was shivering. I was shivering and Ashim recorded again. Is his word against my works? Ishim Buzuroke. I'm not crazy. Oh, no, get Jiziru no gone on me find your banana and he came on a hana. No, man. No. Now una sabi because I know sabi. So you know I jump on my record and when I make record or I get say Vurogi. I'm a dog at Ware. Oh, soon no. Gajuzi Jpac. Uburoleka Ifeanyi Ubah and Ike. You want to go? So, you know, bagari here. Now, bagari na kahu basarunu. Agbala mungonye gwarami here gwaramu. Now, that day, it was everybody. Then I had to call Akwa. I had to reach Akwa because I could go busy. Ne me here zolo bitas ya. I had to call Akwa. Lekwa na Jpac watch lekwa ihe okuru. No she no chon him on so person. Oh, like for my shower, ya get out. He went home talk. I get out. He what I go? So na ya channel so mba ka kujiri me na zone 2. Na zone 2 Lagos. Akwa had to put up a call. Akwa Zion had to put up a call. That was how, not only a call, Akwa had to send the money for belling. Akwa had to bring his own money when Ogwaramu dati na ya chonwu nke Ifeanyi Ubah ga-emecha akpọ ya n'ụlọ want you to come and meet me now. Ka mkpọghị m otula ka a na-ama amụ n'ike amụ agwụla ya n'ihe anyị agbaga na wisatụlụ town. Go and ask him. So abalị na-akpa m ike Ogechi. No, it's not me. Jpac gwara m n'ike ibende a na-akpọ ya amụ n'ike agwụla ya. So whether you like it or you want to cry, call him that niile. And the Jpac, I'm giving you another challenge. Jpac, ị ga-akpọta doctor gị ma kpọta doctor m ka enyo gị n'ike. Ya wụrụ ma anweba amụbana gị n'ike before. Jpac, I will pay you any damages ịchọ ka m kwụọ gị. But ọ wụrụ na amụ abana gị n'ike, Jpac, ị ga-akwụ m any amount ka anyị mee ya ka ikpe abie. Kpọta doctor gị ma kpọta kem. Ka monitor gị n'ike shi gị. After examining you and the doctor prove that ike gị ka wu virgin, Jpac, I will pay you any damages all ị chọrọ. Ya kwanu m enyocha gị, ya hụrụ m ejili ike gị mere nga na-agba okoso. Jpac, then you will pay me. How about that? Jpac, make it happen. I will call my doctor na Nigeria now. Gabota nke gị. Enyocha otula gị. Ya hụrụ m emebe. Amụbara gị n'ike. Jpac, I will pay you damages. Did you hear what I said? For those of you, I'll cooperate with this one. Because I have challenged you, Jpac. Wepụta otula gị. Ma kpọta my doctor. Ka aga lee gị, ga kpọta nke gị elekwuo gị, ka eweta the results. Ka ihu gba okpokoro. Ka amara m enwe na dozens of spam koro gị afọ. Ka amara m eme na dozens of mmiri amụ koro gị, that's your big stomach. If not, ka m kwuo gị damages ka ọ kwuo m. How about that? Can this problem solve? How about this simple challenge? Now, when it comes to Chinedu Nwadike, Jpac opened the mouth and told me, may his soul keep resting in peace. I got home there. I did not do contribution for Chinedu Nwadike. I was not at Chinedu Nwadike's presence. Jpac told me, na Chinedu Nwadike buori obiri na ajo chan. Na Chinedu Nwadike bu ekezi nke oboroshi na wo syphilis. Na Chinedu Nwadike no tule emecha na eshi mmiri. Even that day Ifeanyi Ubah bịara na ndị nọọsụ. Kemakwa no mentio quote by Jpac. Na ndị nọọsụ gbaga daddy na etesiri onye positive na because rumor bịa gawa. According to Jpac. Na rumor bịa gawa ana ekwu na Ifeanyi na edina. Ọkwa Jpac na korobo. Anything I say, quote to me, na him brage. Na Ifeanyi Ubah na edina onya. So Oshi, one of the nurses say, pull Ifeanyi Ubah by the side. Shia, Oga, can we do audio brinajo test for you? Ifeanyi Ubah, don't worry. You don't worry. Na urubeke like that. Igwara ya ka igwa ya. Mgbe putara Chinedu Nwadike na agba ya wish na agba onye nwura. Igbala my father war, gba Chinedu Nwadike war. So all these things you are clamoring and saying, yeah, kwejela go mbada abia ya ogba. Mgbe mgbago dị ndụ. Ka ịgwara m mgbe ejigi n'ọnụ oyi. Ka ịgwara m shi na gị ike mkpọhụ otulu agbụla gị. You feel me? So all these things, now that's not me. He told me. He particular anyway, or I will stand my feet and keep saying what I'm saying with no shaking. Jpac, get challenge. Go and do that challenge. Simple as ABC. And you must follow the command. You can follow ya. Now, na Chinedu Nwadike buoria. So I should know. No lot Chinedu no law Ifeanyi Ubah Chinedu be no way she war. In fact, no jury amene dear friend there. Now you told me. And I'm there. A some giga. I'm Chinedu Nwadike buori obiri na aja mo bi hu. I'm na Chinedu Nwadike obi syphilis mo biro. Are you not the one that's telling me all this? What I go? So maybe all Jonah Tuzigi, it just ain't according to you. It just ain't to la kana. So now you sabi. So all these people in my father's picture, Kahajina Abaya war. In Agwana Kahambatrage war, Jpac. You are talking rubbish. So those of you that want to be carrying all those fake, if I offend any Nnewi man or any Nnewi women, I wasn't the person that said it. The reason why Ojo Ifeanyi Ubah Ogechi Akujiri oga undoga ejiri nye onya bell that very day. The same Ifeanyi Ubah Ogechi contact yo. On I sent a message on a June yesterday. Gini me ya at that very day. Now share no video. You know why I'm telling you to share this video? Because tomorrow somebody will not come up and make up story. Jpac where Bele face, he told me that if I knew any favor lawyer or entarayanwa, no na share humo to lelu. And the Nikaya Namuno that should know that should. I will call Bishop Ozobor. Bishop was busy. We called Akwa on a line. I was there. Akwa not there. Bishop was busy. Bishop could not reach. Although they come out, Bishop or travel Kogra somewhere. They could not reach his local line. So you coming yesterday, not for Kuru Kampo Bishop. Never you add that man. Bishop wogaranya na atu Chineke egwu. Na ilotala okuchi ishigi buru ya. You know okay doctor na aka no they call anybody to help you. Bishop Ozubru wogaranya na atu Chukwu egwu. A man na Jesus na aputa like this na egoshi onwe ya na eji oji. You want to go? Oh, somebody na etu egwu Chineke. No, they tag Bishop Ozubru in your mess. I never mention only poromo baramu kam na bage. Bishop Ozubru esusu. He's a man that so anything that has to do with God, Bishop Aneji egwu. So never you ever this hanky panky video you made yesterday, and you keep saying, "Oh for obere, keep Bishop." Shut up! Don't mention that holy man. Bishop offering Chineke if I yana God. He's a clean man. He's not useless. He's a man. It did some. So in a make all this your sympathy war group. Do not include that man. Bishop the Sam or the clean or Chineke. So no the cap, no they bring rubbish. Okay? Ima, a man, that was the person I'm referring to, Jpac. Ima that's the mona people that I'm madia. You know, Ngana Ragi gets in the Ghana. Yashim na no Ogechi. Awu Bishop Ozubru is somebody that wants to connect you to Bishop. MC. You know the man. Tell people the truth. Stop mentioning Bishop name. Bishop has nothing to do with this. Bishop has no freaking nothing to do with. Stop mentioning him. The man they want to contract you to ndo dogu or humere go tula. Can it? That was the sound of Mbana Ogeniko Hipuru. So don't you ever add that innocent holy man. Bishop Wogaranyana to Chineke Ogbu. Osohune Maro. Osohune Susu. Don't bring anybody into your mess monage no monage. You want to go? Mess monage no monage. No, they use anybody to come. That front they keep up is a lie. Emo blue and black. That very moment, Jpac. Jpac, go and return it, or I'm coming with a brutal stone. Let me block that idiot. Who is it? Okay, all the car I block go. You want to go? So all these things in our bus, people like, and I'm not nay. Then which Ogechi Ubah Ogechi. So if you can answer by then I am not by give any simple challenge. I got your doctor, my doctor. I got legi kegi. If there is any ammo that is penetrating there, by then that one. I want to be away. Okay, I'm ready to pay you. In Ibata Nigeria, Jpac, no worry. You go see me. You go see me. In a woman in those are shower, in our war, in a drag people, in a put the first, okay, she put the first information yesterday, and that did you suspend the accusation. Now that did you suspend the accusation. Where and how? This is how you tarnish people's image. You know, yesterday, but that did you suspend the accusation. How, when, where? I could not somewhere now know that you I hope the period now on 24/7. Kishi now that is suspended. Ya bekola Zion. That ya suspend the bend again na be Zion na people hekpere. How turn out to original people. Ya wuru accusation. And I suspend dia ozuno shina Zion. Can I suspend the oburu madu? Can I suspend the opohumaro tula? Bija opohumana na ginike. Tell me the reason I get just suspend that. This is just to damage other people's reputation. Because see my comment here. Nde Zion apota. Hey, habia. Nde Zion. You want to go? Be very careful with that man. Every time gonna 100 days. Now, until the day you mention Ebukobi, that day kega wona come. Gine susu kwala. Ne queen director kwa. Igaraka. Nde church ne go. That was how problem started. Guys, listen to this voice. Share this program because where's mine? Listen to this voice. You want to come and damage Ebukobi name. That day kega. That day kage leaky. Happen desire they don't have business with you. And you should move on with your filtered life. It is damage, it is too dense to even do anything for Zion. I get boost or clean siage every day. Zion. On the our spiritual father can you get kettle. Kija na prove you na lie. Na lie. Problem when I go between the bay. Hapu Zion aka. Hapu ihe na basara Ebukobi aka. They are no longer interested in you. Gawaro nweki. Ikera na Zion ke ga zu hoshi. It did not work for you. Get bito. Zion emenage every day. Ebukobi na progin negi. Ebukobi owu nwoke decide na oginike. Why are you always fighting? Ndo kaimena, ejiana because I na enye nu ge ego. A question I na enye ego. Ige wepute that one we have already given to you. That one ndesa yo nyeregi. Ige wepute ya. You have to bring it out. Very demonic human being. Everything you brought up people need this things that never existed. You will bring it to the timeline just to destroy the reputation of a man that did not do you anything. Because by all means. Or anybody that don't know. I believe you, Ifeanyi Ubah Ogechi. I believe you, that day. Because when we hear, you cannot do for money. I believe in the day me perono bam Ifeanyi Ubah Ogechi. I 100% believe it. Now, any name get challenge, go and do test in Ikeki. Elotalo, stop calling in the Newi. Mbe Brula, my brother from Osumeni, destroy your business here. You did not remember that he's in Newi, man. The man Egypt mega arrest before Gagawa, Egypt. Yeah. Iman all my brother, Iman all Osumeni, my man. Iman all Osumeni, my brother. In matter who know we endorse Osumeni Jidrebube, he destroyer. You do not remember that. Now you are calling Asimenya, Emeko, Kubana Chief Priest, Okubatano Ogechi. You told me. Igwaramo. So I believe everything you told me. So go and explain to the Newi. Ifeanyi Ubah Ogechi. It's not left for you. It's not left for you to tell them the Newi Kewejoku. All this sympathy card you are playing, we need destroy people's marriage. We need to put one in doso. Na okuko hotel. Eba na anya na onye awu wife material. Yeruzie na nke people I want to come and mess with. Are you normal at all? Did they forget so easily? How the abomination you committed on this blue app? Oh, you want us to no. Please, admin, anytime I post, ndo will contribute to Jpac. Do not delete it. Jpac is everything that concerns, even if one, yeah. Oya kam na-eche target. Even if one again, aga beji agba war. My father is priceless. Nnamu the reason no oboda. Even if woman have a problem, it's none of your business. Obasa honge. And then when family issues settle lawyer, it's none of your goddamn business. Keep putting them on social media. So all those useless idiots that called you yesterday, they get on a platform, they can charge their own program. How about my father will have a console lugi? They are my saga members. We've been in saga for years. So I understand. They are not real people. What the idiot to work again? I get you can knock into Nigeria. I get you the cinema indicate. I get you with car. Okay, she will put you here.